You've been lied to about the ancient Olympics. When you picture Greek athletes, you probably imagine them glistening in olive oil just to look good for the statues. You are dead wrong. That oil wasn't lotion. It wasn't primitive sunscreen, and it definitely wasn't for vanity. It was a highly engineered biological cheat code. Today, you are going to discover the lost biohack of the ancient world. You'll see exactly how a simple Mediterranean plant, some dirt, and a piece of curved metal created an athletic recovery system so advanced, modern sports science is just now catching up. If you work out, play sports, or just want your body to heal faster, pay close attention. Because by the end of this video, you'll realize the Greeks didn't just invent the Olympics, they perfected human recovery. The thermoregulatory armor. It starts before they even step onto the sand. The Greeks called the mixture gloios. It wasn't just oil, it was oil mixed with specific fine dust. When you work out, your core temperature spikes. Your body wastes massive energy trying to cool down. The oil seal changed everything. It trapped a micro layer of sweat, acting like a primitive liquid cooling system. Ancient myofascial release. But the real magic happened after the race. Enter the strigil, a curved metal blade. History books tell you it was a sponge to wipe off dirt. History books are stupid. They weren't wiping, they were scraping, hard. By dragging this curved metal over oiled muscles, they were performing intense myofascial release, breaking up fascia tissue and forcing blood flow into micro tears. Modern physical therapists charge $200 an hour for this. They call it the Graston technique, or IASTM. The Greeks were doing it in the dirt for free in 500 BC. Transdermal cellular repair. And what about the oil itself? Cold-pressed ancient olive oil was packed with oleocanthal. This is a natural phenolic compound that acts exactly like ibuprofen. By scraping the skin raw and forcing this anti-inflammatory compound directly into the open pores, they bypassed the stomach entirely. Direct, localized pain relief. The Greeks didn't have ice baths. They didn't have massage guns. They had friction, fat, and metal. And it built an empire of physical gods. But this brings up a terrifying question. If the Greeks knew this much about external recovery, what were they doing to their internal biology to push past the limits of human endurance? Click the video on screen to uncover the ancient outlawed diets of the Spartan elite.